ओम शांति हो। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू प्रवीण जी। वो दोस्तों के दोस्त थे जी, इसमें कोई डाउट ही नहीं है। और उनकी पर्सनैलिटी का पार्ट बिल्कुल ऐसे ही था कि वो जिससे उसके जिन्होंने दोस्ती निभाई वो पूरी दोस्ती निभाई। बिफोर वी प्रोसीड फर्दर, आई हैव ए स्मॉल presentation showing pictures from his past life and the current life. So I'll just share the screen with all of you. So this is Mahinder Singh Pahwa, our good friend, and then just give me a minute. He was born in 1944 at Sialkot, Pakistan, lived in Patna for first 12 years of life, shifted to Ludhiana, studied at YPS, and look how smart he looked in this is 1960 picture. As a career, he joined family business. All we know that Table Cycles in 1961, started Nova White Skills in 2000, and started manufacturing auto components. Auto parts in 2002 in the name of VS Auto Industry. And Rohit was a big support all throughout. He always said that Rohit, that I am able to do all these things which I am doing now. Then he was an active participant in all the trade fairs and then talking to various business constituents. Here he is with Onkarji also. And Mr. Anup Walia, GM Nova Bicycle. And this again, it shows how popular he was, how social, various people from time to time. He got married in 1968, and what a gracious lady Mrs. Pahwa is. In fact, very frankly, it was last Sunday only when we went to his place, I could meet her and realize. And they were complimenting each other. Mrs. Pahwa was telling my wife that she generally likes to stay at home, not to move out considerably, while Mr. Pahwa was always an outgoing person, meeting the friends, going to various functions, would not miss any social occasion and would always be there. In our club also, he was a regular attendee. So this was a perfect couple complementing each other. They have 3 children and 5 grandchildren. And again, from his life with various of his family members, and how gracious the family is, and how happy he was in company of his family. This shows that the close bonds he had with all the children considerably. So again, a family picture. This is how we knew him in our elite club from time to time. And mind you, this is the picture which I am pointing out, this picture. Sorry, I will take it back. Just a minute. Give me a minute. This was the picture which was taken after almost 18 months of isolations. In fact, the last we met was on 9th of March 2018, 2019 rather. There was again a family get together. So after that we met on 9th of August 2021. This was first meeting, and as usual, Naveen, who likes to kind of store our memories, the entire group was here. And again, you can see that right in the front how happy he was. And we do relish his memories. And in fact, last year has not been very happy one for us in Elite Club. Earlier, we lost 2 of our very close associates, close friends, Mr. Indrajit Nagpal and Mr. D.L. Sharma to COVID in mid-1920, and then now the shock of losing Mr. Pahwa. But nevertheless, we'll always cherish his memories. Thank you so much. May I now request in fact, Mr. Munjal could not join, but then we have Mr. Jagjeet Singh, a very close friend of Mr. Pahwa. I think he is there. Maybe like to say a few words, Mr. Jagjeet Singh ji. Do we have Mr. Jagjeet Singh? Rohit ji, Jagjeet Singh ji hai?
I think he was trying to connect. He has some problem with the internet today.
So may I request Mr. Omkar Singh ji, अगर आपसे ज्यादा तो कौन जानता है पाहवा जी को, इतनी लॉन्ग एसोसिएशन थी आपकी तो और फैमिली थी बिल्कुल, तो अगर ओंकार सिंह जी।
हाँ जी, थैंक यू अनिल जी। मैं यही कहूँगा, मेरे वो बड़े भाई भी थे, मेरे दोस्त भी थे और मेरे मेंटर भी थे। जैसे आपने बताया इनको 56 में वो इधर लुधियाना शिफ्ट हुए। देन दैट टाइम आई वाज ओनली 4 years old। आई वाज बोर्न इन 52। तो उसके बाद वो YPS में उन्होंने पढ़ाई करी है। YPS में सीनियर कैमरेज करके लुधियाना आए तो हमारा साइकिल बिजनेस जो था तो वो बड़े बाबा हंसा जी ने कहा भी नहीं, आपने पटना वापस नहीं जाना, आप बिजनेस ज्वाइन करो, वी नीड मोर हैंड्स इन द बिजनेस। तो मैंने उनके साथ जब मैंने बिजनेस ज्वाइन किया तो उनके साथ ही मेरा टेबल लगाया गया एंड आई वाज वाचिंग हिम ऑल द टाइम। और जब वो जाते थे, पटना जाते थे पेरेंट्स को मिलने के लिए, तो आई वाज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ द ऑल द डे टू डे वर्किंग। और जितना डिसिप्लिन उनको मैंने देखा है, अपना शाम को टेबल उन्होंने क्लियर करके जाना और कोई चीज टेबल के ऊपर नहीं छोड़ के जानी। और उनके ड्रॉर भी जो थे उसमें भी वो हर चीज बड़े सलीके से उसको रख के जाना और उसको क्लीन हर हफ्ते 10 दिन के बाद उसको खुद ही क्लीन करते थे। उनके ड्रॉर में ही उनकी पेंसिल, पेन, शार्पनर, रेजर और हर चीज उनके ड्रॉर में होती थी। और वो कोई टेबल के ऊपर तो उन्होंने सुबह आके निकालनी चीजें, डायरी निकालनी, जो जो काम दिन में करना है, क्या क्या है, सब देखना करना। और बैंक के साथ, बैंक ऑफिशियल्स के साथ, स्टाफ के साथ इतना उनका PR था कि मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता था। पंजाब नेशनल बैंक में हमारा मेन अकाउंट था। तो पंजाब नेशनल बैंक की आपको पता है अनिल जी, क्लोजिंग होती थी हाफ ईयरली और फुल ईयरली। दोनों क्लोजिंग के ऊपर हमारे बिल्डरगंज ऑफिस में, जहाँ पर अभी पंजाब नेशनल बैंक की बिल्डिंग है, वहां पर वो उनकी टी पार्टी होती थी और सबको पूरी टी पार्टी का उन्होंने अरेंजमेंट करना, सबको बुलाना करना। और ग्रोइंग टाइम था, बैंक के इंटरेस्ट बहुत हाई थे। कंपनी का, हमारी कंपनी का कुछ असूल था भी, हमने कुछ ज्यादा क्या कहते हैं टर्म लोन वगैरह नहीं लिए थे, सिर्फ वर्किंग कैपिटल से ही सब कुछ चल रहा था। पहले एक फैक्ट्री लगी, फिर दूसरी लगी, तीसरी लगी, पर वर्किंग कैपिटल से तो काफी बाबूजी कहते थे हाँ जी हरमिंदर जाओ बैंक जाओ, ये काम करके आओ। फिर वहाँ पोस्ट होगा सर, ना ये RTS चेक थी, ना ही कुछ इमीडिएटली ट्रांसफर था, तो चेक के साथ ही सारा काम होता था। एक बैंक से कैश उठाना, दूसरे में लेके जाना, दूसरे से उठाना, तीसरे में जाना। यूज्ड टू में and do it. Looking at the business, but मेरे को ये होता था भी जितनी जल्दी वो वापस आए अपना काम संभाले। बट स्टिल मैं 10-15 दिन, जो 20 दिन थे, बड़ी मुश्किल से निकालता था। और बैंक जाना सुबह, सबसे पहले तो इंडस्ट्रियल या बी में फैक्ट्री थी, मिलरगंज में ऑफिस था GT रोड पे। पहले सुबह फैक्ट्री जाना, वहां से जो भी माल डिस्पैच हुआ है या होना है उसके बिल बनवाने, उसकी बिल्टियां बनवानी, फिर और मिलरगंज ऑफिस में या GT रोड पे आना, फिर बैंक जाना, बैंक से डीपी जो पहले एक दिन पहले की डीपी ली होती थी। तो ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर पीक। अगर मैं कहना चाहूँ तो पूरा दिन लगा रहे तो उनकी जो खूबियां थी या उनकी जो मिलवतन, अभी भी मेरे को यूको बैंक से, पंजाब नेशनल बैंक के पुराने पुराने ऑफिसर जो उनके फोन आ रहे हैं जी, हमको अभी पता लगा जी कैसे हो गया। हमारे मेरे साथ तो चाय पीते थे, आके मेरे साथ कॉफी पीते थे, मेरे को तो मेरे बच्चों की साइकिल उन्होंने घर भेजी थी। तो ऑल दोस थिंग्स पीपल आर स्टिल रिमेम्बरिंग है। बाद भी इनकी शादी के बाद फिर फैमिली हमारी जो है वो 1994-95 में हमारा कुछ रीडिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ बिजनेस हुआ। तो इनको एवन बाइसिकल कंपोनेंट्स कंपनी मिली, एवन बाइसिकल कंपनी हमारी फैमिली को मिली, हंसा पावा जी के फैमिली को रॉ मटेरियल का बिजनेस मिला। और उसके बाद भी हमारी जो आपस में फैमिलीज की गेट टुगेदर या फैमिली का मिलना जुलना जो है वो चलता रहा है और बड़ा अच्छा रहा। और इनकी हमेशा ही कोशिश रहती थी भी सब मिलके हम चलें, मिलके बात करें। तो अभी पीछे ब्रेक अभी 12-13 दिन पहले वो हमारे ऑफिस भी आए, हमारे उधर कमिश्नर नौ निहाल सिंह जी को बुलाया हुआ था। तो उनके साथ बैठ के सारी मीटिंग हुई। मेरे को फोन आया, जो मंडे की पिक्चर मेरी नहीं आई, सैटरडे मैंने इनको 2-3 जो पिक्चर्स थी जो मैंने बुक के देते हुए पिक्चर थी वो नहीं आई, फिर मैंने वो पिक्चर भेजी। इट वाज वेरी शॉकिंग। मैं तो जब आई थिंक जब 1 बजे फोन आया उनका राय साहब का, तो आई वाज सिटिंग विद माय एल्डर सन ऋषि। तो उन्होंने कहा अभी ऐसे ऐसे उनको अटैक आया और सीधा टीएमसी लेके गए। तो मैंने उनके बेटे रोहित को बोला भी आप जल्दी से जाओ और मेरे को जाके बताओ क्या पोजीशन है। तो मैंने डॉक्टर सोइन से बात की, तो कहते नहीं जी काफी सीरियस है, बट द डॉक्टर्स आर ट्राइंग टू रिवाइव हिम। उसके 15 मिनट बाद फोन आ गया, अभी इज नो मोर। तो इट वाज वेरी shocking and very for the entire family and for everybody, और especially for आप लोगों के साथ तो उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे पल बिताए आपके एलीट क्लब में। और मैं कभी संडे को उनको मिलने जाता था, तो जब आपके जूम पे मीटिंग होती थी तो ही बस मैं मीटिंग कर रहा हूँ, मेरी तो एलीट क्लब की मीटिंग है, आप बैठो चाय पियो और कुछ कॉफी पीनी है पियो, और मैं अभी 1 घंटा इधर मीटिंग में। तो ही वाज वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ meeting you on Zoom and very particular meeting all his friends, and very disciplined person right from the beginning। और पूरा स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन थे, सुबह बैडमिंटन भी खेलना और वॉक भी करनी और पूरा एक्सरसाइज सब कुछ करना, बट स्टिल इट इज ऑल गॉड्स विश। मैं और कुछ ज्यादा नहीं कहना चाहूंगा। थैंक यू सो मच
सर। थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू सर। थैंक यू। हमारे साथ में ऋतु, उनकी जो दूसरी बेटी है वो भी जुड़ी हुई हैं। Ritu has herself passed through a turmoil during last couple of years when she lost her husband to sickness, but this has been another shock for her also. May I request Ritu to say a few words?
Thank you so much for being here. In a few words, if I want to define my father's life, it's only full of love and gratitude. He taught us this only. Har vele shukrana. That's what he used to tell. जो उसकी रजा, पापा ने एक ही चीज सिखाई है मुझे। Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ritu ji. I know कि आपके लिए कितना बड़ा टर्मोइल है ये और रिसेंट ट्रीटमेंट निकलने के लिए, बट आई एम वेरी श्योर बिकॉज जितना बोल्डली पावा साहब ने वो एक लॉस बियर किया और हमारे साथ शेयर किया, आई कैन इमेजिन, बट आई थिंक वी कैन गिव ऑल आवर गुड विशेस टू यू फॉर योर फ्यूचर लाइफ एंड शेयर योर टर्मोइल विद एवरीवन। May I request Dr. Soin, who was the last medico attending Mohinder ji, to say a few words. क्योंकि वो उनके साथ वैसे भी बहुत कांटेक्ट में रहते थे। Dr. Soin, please. डॉक्टर सोहन आप हो ऑनलाइन अभी कि नहीं?
Definitely, I am online.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
Yeah, I actually have only had fun moments with him. I never had any serious moments with him. My moments were all distinct fun. He used to come. Can you hear me?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी. Yes, please go ahead.
All the time, we are either having coffee together or having dinners together, or even we started playing golf together. We went there for 10 days, but it was not, Mr. Khurana won't like it, but it was not akin to our general nature to play golf. Right? And yeah, I just want to say, to live in the hearts of those we did not actually loved more all the time. God bless him. He only gave us happiness, and his memories will continue to give us happiness. Thank you.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you. We have Mr. Jagdish Bhalla, who is again a good friend of Mr. Pahwa. Is related to him also. So maybe Mr. Jagdish Bhalla can say a few words.
Friends, what a loving, caring, and noble soul Harminder was. He was my co-brother for last 53 years. We were more than buddies, enjoyed each other's company so much. We shifted to Ludhiana in 93, and for 21 years we were together. 21 years flew like a moment twinkle of a time. He was always warm and smiling, ready to help, and standing behind you like a solid rock. Words cannot express the shocking, deep loss we are going through. May God give strength to the Pava family to bear this unbearable loss. You were his great companions. All love and regards to you. God bless. God bless his soul and give us the strength to bear this loss. Thank you.
Thank you, Bhalla Sahab. Thank you so much. We have Mr. Jagdish Singh also, which I understand was very, very close friend of Mr. Pahwa. If he is there, Mr. Jagdish Singh. So, are you there, Mr. Jagdish Singh? Rohit, Jagdish Singh ji hai?
He has a problem with his internet. He is trying to connect.
So maybe we will come later to him. I see Rupa online. Rupa also wanted to say a few words. Rupa, अपना video on कर लीजिए.
Hello to everybody who is joined in this link today.
रूपा कहाँ पे आपका लिंक मिस हो रहा है?
अब तब तुम चेंज कर लो कोई और बुला लो फिर बात.
हाँ, मैं भी बुलाता हूँ. May request Mr. Ashok Oswal to say a few words.
बाबा साहब को मैं बहुत पहले से जानता हूँ. I think I would say starting from early 1980s, where he and I would meet whenever chairman of UCO Bank would come and to facilitate him, we would be invited for a dinner, and quite often Mr. Pahwa would be expected to say a vote of thanks, So I have known him for a long period of time, and whenever we have met socially, publicly, he always came across to me, met me very warmly, extremely very warmly. My impression of Mr. Pahwa is that he seemed like a very tolerant man, very, very tolerant person, and I could also say that harmless soul, just to share my last moments before the last meeting, the meeting before, he and I were sitting closer to each other, next to each other. And normally I'm a coffee drinking person, so I always order in the elite coffee. ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਕੀ ਪੀ ਰਿਹਾ ਤੂੰ? ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਜੀ ਮੈਂ ਕਾਫੀ ਪੀ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈਗਾ। ਇਹ ਕੀ ਤੂੰ ਕਦ ਕੀ ਬੋਰਿੰਗ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਪੀਂਦਾ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਕਾਫੀ ਕੌਫੀ? ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਜੀ ਤੂੰ ਬੀਅਰ ਪੀ। ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਬਾਬਾ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਮੈਂ ਕਾਫੀ ਇੰਜੋਏ ਕਰਦਾ। ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਤੂੰ ਬੀਅਰ ਪੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ। ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਚਲੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅਗਲੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਹੈਲਪਿੰਗ ਆਏਗੀ ਨਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਚ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰ ਦੇਣਾ। ਇਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਫਿਰ ਅੱਧਾ ਗਲਾਸ ਪੀਵਾਂਗੇ। ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਅੱਧਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੀਣਾ ਮੈਂ ਥੋੜੇ ਜਿਹੇ ਲੈ ਲਾਂਗਾ। So I mean, for me, it was a great memory in my life, you know, that we shared beer together, you know. So it was a beautiful moment, you know. And recalling the last moment when we were rushing him to the hospital, Dr. Soin told me that, Ashokji, I think we have revived him because Dr. Soin was constantly pumping him. And he said, looks like that he's now breathing on his own and we should be okay now. So I said, it's great, wonderful, excellent, you see. And I must compliment Dr. Soin working very hard to revive him and nevertheless to know him. So I will miss Mr. Pava. I always fondly used to address him as HM in my WhatsApp messages, you know. So a big brother to me, elder brother. So a person lost to me. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashokji. Rupa, are you back online?
Yes, sorry, there was an internet connection problem. So sorry for that. I would like to say that beautiful memories, dearer than gold, of an uncle whose worth can never be told. There is a place in my heart that no one can fill. And can never ever have that place in my heart for anyone. I came into the family in 1985 as the eldest daughter-in-law. He gave me so much of love, so much of sharing. He was like a friend to me. And a person whom I remember. I still remember all the things that he did. It was all his love that actually engulfed me every day. He was a friend. I could share everything with him. So jovial, so compassionate, so loving. A memory I will always carry in my heart, and he will always live in my heart forever. Truly loved him as a daughter. Thank you.
Thank you, Rupaji. We can imagine your grief also, and then people who came in contact with him. But I am very sure that more than grief would be your memories, the happy memories which you shared
Yes,
always the
yes.
entire life with him.
Absolutely.
Those will stand in very good stead for the entire family. His
Yes.
personality, his persona was so great.
Yes, absolutely.
It
I
will be of
totally agree
great,
with you on that.
Great
And
help to everybody in times to come.
He's
Thank
around
you.
us. He's around us. And
Thank you for sharing. Thank you for sharing.
yes, people we love are always with us by our side, and he will always remain with us in everything we do.
So we have Mr. Rajan Kapoor. Rajan ji again was a very close friend of Mr. Pava. Rajan ji, video on kar lijiye apna. हाँ जी राजन जी।
हाँ जी नमस्कार सभी को।
सादा चप्पल मेरा धुल गया ज्योति। सादा चप्पल ऐसे पोंछ दे।
हरमिंदर जी को मैं लास्ट 45 ईयर से जानता था, जब से ये हमारे वहाँ पे श्री राम शरणम में आते थे सत्संग पे। कमला आंटी, ओंकार जी के मदर, कुशल्या आंटी और उनका एक हरमिंदर जी, ये तीनों इकट्ठे आते थे हमेशा। और आई हैव नेवर सीन हिम मिस एनी मेजर फंक्शन और एनी सत्संग, जो भी होता था वो अटेंड करते थे। ही वाज वेरी रिलीजियस, राम शर्मा के डिवोटी थे, which used to run by my father-in-law सन नरकेवल सिंह बेदी जी, इवन अप टू लास्ट डेज, जब भी इन्होंने कोई भी ऐसा नहीं मिस किया कोई फंक्शन जहाँ पे ये ना पहुंचे हों। उसके अलावा हर जगह सबसे पहले कोई भी काम होता था, कोई डोनेशन का, कोई मोटिवेशन का, कहीं भी लीड लेनी होती थी, आप तो लिखते थे लेकिन दूसरों को भी मोटिवेट करते थे। दैट आई रिमेम्बर। बहुत ही ज्यादा टाइम इकट्ठे गुजारा हमने, बहुत ही ज्यादा टाइम, एंड वी यूज्ड टू सिट टुगेदर ऑलवेज। We'll miss him forever, but he will always remain in our hearts. No words I can say. May he, the poised soul, live in peace. भगवान उनको अपने चरणों में स्थान दे। लेकिन अपना वो, जैसे कहते हैं ना, अपना काम वो खुद ही करके गए हैं। लोग करते हैं पाठ पूजा जाने के बाद, वो अपने लिए अपना बहुत कुछ करके गए हैं। ऐसी सोल मिलना बहुत ही मुश्किल है, बहुत ही मुश्किल है। My regards to all the family, Kamla aunty especially, Omkar ji, and all the family. Thank you.
थैंक यू प्रवीण जी। इनफैक्ट वो हमारे क्लब का इतना इंटेग्रल पार्ट थे ना, इतने एक्टिव मेंबर थे कि हम सब लोग पूरे क्लब में, जो एलीट क्लब है, जस्ट जो लोग हमारे आज मेंबर्स नहीं, मैं उनके लिए बताना चाहूंगा कि ये एलीट क्लब हमारा एक ग्रुप ऑफ लाइक माइंडेड, लाइक थिंकिंग पर्सन था, जो अब ऑलमोस्ट 7 years कंप्लीट कर चुका है। हमने दिसंबर 2014 जनवरी 2015 में ये क्लब शुरू किया था, तो कुछ प्लस माइनस के साथ, बट वी हैव बीन ऑलमोस्ट वेरी रेगुलर, सेल्डम मिसिंग अवर मीटिंग्स। इनमें लॉकडाउन में भी हमने वी इंश्योर्ड कि हम ऑल्टरनेट वीकेंड्स पे जूम पे मिलते रहे। ये बहुत वेरिड लोगों का ग्रुप है, कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि सेम प्रोफेशन में अलग अलग डॉक्टर्स भी हैं, एकेडमिक्स भी हैं, बिजनेसमैन भी हैं, प्रोफेशनल्स भी हैं। और उसमें जो पावा साहब का कंट्रीब्यूशन कह लीजिए, पावा साहब की जो इन्वॉल्वमेंट थी, वो बस सेल्डम कोई वो मिस करते थे हमारी मीटिंग। और सबसे पहले आते हुए और जैसे ही वो घुसते थे मीटिंग में, तो दोनों हाथ उनके ऊपर खड़े हुए, गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, वो पूरी एक रौनक पूरी मीटिंग में ले आते थे। वी आर गोइंग डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू मिस हिम। वी हैव मिसेस कमल खुराना, whom I understand they would like to say few words. Mrs. Kamal Khurana.
Anji. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak a few words in honor of Harminder Veer ji, who was really very dear to all of us. I had the pleasure of knowing him for over 40 years. He had the most amiable personality and the warmest smile, which would instantly put the other person at ease. He loved me like a younger sister, and I always looked up to him like an older brother. He was so generous-hearted and took care of his loved ones with so much magnanimity. Whenever we needed him, he was there like a rock for Ranveer, me, and my children, even before our asking. We will miss his warmth and his presence in our life, but I feel so proud when I see that he lives on in the impeccable values of Ritu, Rohit, and Guriya. The three of you are a reflection of his love, Bache, and the kind person he was. It pains my heart to have lost such a wonderful brother, but the skies above have reunited Ranveer with his favorite person. We will miss you immensely, Veerji, and we have weaved such beautiful memories together over these past 40 years on vacations, you and Ranveer playing badminton together, and sharing all our secrets with you. Wherever you are, may you always rest, Veerji, and may God keeps you always in his abode. I love the family. They are like my second home, and I wish to give them a big hug at this moment and tell them that it has been a big loss for all of us. And I always have stories about the elite club that he came up and told me, and he had so much fun with you all, and he was full of life, but God has other plans. So wherever he is, he may rest in peace. We will truly miss him.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Kamal. Thank you so much. We have Naveen with us, but very frankly, Naveen was the last person who shook his hand just to ask him, can you press my hand? And then he said, thank you so much. And he is the person who has kind of stored all our memories of the club from time to time. And he's the person instrumental in designing the last homage ad which we published. So may I request Naveen to say a few words. Naveen? Naveen, are you there? Hello? Naveen? I think we are missing. Let me see if he is there.
चैनल चेंज कर
हाँ जी, नवीन है नहीं है?
आ जाएगा, किसी और को कर लो फिर।
ठीक है जी। इस पंकज देयर, पंकज? I can't see Pankaj. Mr. Bajaj may like to say a few words.
I am here only, sir.
पंकज जी आप जरा आप।
पंकज जी very much.
May I request you? हाँ जी, पंकज जी।
I happened to spend some time with him during his, this unfortunate thing that happened last Sunday about this time only. It was almost about the same time, 1:45, when this thing happened. It was so unfortunate, and I happened to accompany him to hospital along with Dr. Soin, Ashok ji. And during the journey, during our way to hospital, I had a word with Rohit also. And I remember Rohit asking me, will he survive? And I said, we don't know, let's pray to God, all goes well. And but God was not willing to, shower his blessings that day. And unfortunately, we left him. And I remember Pava Sahib as a very nice gentleman, a thorough gentleman, with all the virtues of life. He's been very helpful, very jovial nature. जैसे कि पहले बताया सभी ने कि he will always say good morning to everybody, and he would get involved with everybody. He will be friendly with everybody. And I remember him off and on. He would give a call to me for some small things in the about his factory. He will speak to me about some electricity connection and some departmental work and all. And I would always say, sir, ये आप चिंता ना करें, छोटे-छोटे काम हैं, आप हो जाएंगे. So I had a very good connection with him. I had a very good rapport with him, and I can proudly say today that he used to look upon me as a good friend. And despite our age gap, and he used to depend on me, and he must have thought that I was a dependable person. And I actually share the same relation with his son Rohit also. And when I went to meet Rohit, I really felt so sorry for him. And today I can only assure Rohit that we elite club people are all with him. Rai Sahab hai, Anil ji hai, Dr. Soin hai, 20 people are there with him. And the loss cannot be undone. It's a huge loss. But whatever we can do to help him off and on with any small or bigger job, whenever he needs us, we are always there for him. And with this, I once again I pay homage to him. He's such a noble soul. I'm sure wherever he goes, he'll spread love. He will spread love and affection wherever he goes, and he'll be surrounded by good people. He'll be in a good place. I'm sure about that. Thank you.
Thank you, Pankaj. Thank you. Naveen, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
जी sir, I would love to say many things, but since I'm traveling, my connection may get snapped many a times. So anyway, I hope everyone is listening to me. Am I audible?
Yes. Please go ahead.
So I recall many moments that I shared with him. For instance, first time when I got to know him sometime in mid-80s, that's when my brother-in-law got married into the Pava family, and that's when I got to know him. Very great quality about him was that he would meet even though we were meeting for the first time, it sounded as if he'd known me for years together. And anything on earth you talk with him, he would be the best with it. For example, if the first time we talked about some LPG and he knew a lot about it, and that's very strange. He was well versed with all things around. And then coming straight to some of the last moments spent with him, I mean, it's unbelievable. When I asked him to pull his tongue out and hard, he indeed was able to press it well and hard. So I was very sure this he'll come out of it. There's nothing to worry. So you can imagine the amount of shock. Definitely mark in my life, and I'm sure in everyone's life. Thank you.
So we have Mr. Ish Pratap Bhalla, who is cousin of Rohit. Would like to say a few words, Mr. Bhalla. Ish Pratap.
Thank you. Thank you so much. What do you say about somebody who was a king in life and a king of compassion? Sorry. Yeah.
प्लीज अपने आप को ना अनम्यूट कर लीजिए सब लोग जी जिनका कुछ बीच में डिस्टरबेंस आ रही है जब आपका बोलने का होगा तब आप अपना अनम्यूट करिए
Thank you.
Please.
So what do I say about somebody who's a king in life and king of compassion? So as his nephews and nieces, we were all spoiled by him. You would walk up to him and there was always a warm hug, a warm encouragement, a warm support. This was something which consistently you would get out of Harminder uncle. And there's a poem that I wanted to recite for him. It's a short one. It says, "Death is nothing at all." And it goes, death is nothing at all. It does not count. I have only slipped away into the next room. Nothing has happened. Everything remains exactly as it was. I am I and you are you. And the old life that we live so fondly together is untouched, unchanged. Whatever we were to each other, that we are still. Call me by my old familiar name. Speak of me in an easy way which you always used. Put no difference in your tone. Wear no forced air of solemnity or sorrow. Laugh as we always laughed at the little jokes that we enjoyed together. Play, smile, think with me, pray for me. Let my name be ever the household word that it always was. Life means that all it ever meant, it's the same as it ever was. There's absolutely an unbroken continuity. What is this death but a negligible accident? Why should I be out of your mind because I'm out of your sight? I am but waiting for you for an interval somewhere very near, just round the corner. All is well, nothing is hurt, nothing is lost. Brief moment and all will be as it was before. How we shall laugh at the trouble of parting when we meet again. Thank you, Arvind.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Very aptly said. Very aptly said. We also have Mr. Kulbir Pahwa, who is the younger brother of Harminder ji. I'm very sure that he'll also like to say a few words, Mr. Kulbir Pahwa. Kulbir Pahwa.
Pahwa, चंडीगढ़ में रहता हूँ।
नमस्कार जी, नमस्कार।
आप सबने तो अपने दोस्त के यार खोए, मैंने अपना फादर खो दिया। शायद मेरे को मौका मिलेगी कभी, ना जाने तुम के जहां में खोए। थैंक यू।
बीडी सभी आप हमारे जितने दोस्त हैं आपके साथ है इस मूवमेंट में जी। आई कैन इमेजिन कि कितना जो अगर फ्रेंड्स को इतना बड़ा लॉस लग रहा है तो जो रिलेशंस है ब्रदर्स को कितना बड़ा लॉस लग रहा होगा। But I can assure you that all of us are with you. Mr. Jagdish Singh has joined now, I think. क्यों रोहित जी है वो available?
Connected?
Is he connected? Just check up.
He was showing connected a few seconds ago.
Just check up once again.
Hello, Jagdish is trying to get in touch. Hello. Jagdish is trying to get in touch. He is unable to log in.
He is unable to log in. Acha.
Yeah, I just talked to him on the telephone. I think he says my daughter is not there. As soon as she comes, I will try to log in because he said I will dig up Bobby and ask him how to log in.
So we'll see if we can join before we close down. Let me see.
Yeah, I talked to him.
Would you like to say a few words before we conclude? Rohit? रोहित आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
Heartfelt, sincere thanks to all the respected members of the Elite Club for this beautiful session dedicated to my father, and even the beautiful, heart-touching homage in the newspaper. Got tears to everybody's eyes. I got calls from so many people who read the newspaper.
Hello.
As a tribute.
Jagjeet is there.
So we have Mr. Jagjeet Singh. May I request Mr. Jagjeet Singh to say a few words? Jagjeet ji.
Okay.
Jagjeet ji, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे जी?
What should I be saying? My dear Harminder, a great friend of mine. I just miss him a lot. We were scheduled to have a dinner together on that fateful night. He would ring me up in the morning. Jagjeet, please come with me to the meeting. But I would feeling a little lethargic. I couldn't make it. And he told me, Jagjeet, never feel lethargic, yeah. We have to continue up to 90 years. That was that fateful morning he told me this. And I felt so bad when after just an hour or so, or 2 hours, I heard this sad news. He was such a gentleman, a very, very good friend, and a God-fearing person, and always full of life, always full of life. Wherever I would say, he would say, yes, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's do this thing, let's do that thing. He was always on the move. But this promise he broke with me. He told me we'll live for 90 years. And I'm very sad to say this. He broke this promise. Really, I'm feeling very bad. Feeling very, very bad. God bless him. Wish him wherever he is. Wish him all the best. I have nothing more to say.
Thank you. Thank you. Come.
Jagjeet,
Definitely.
I hope you will fill up his place in our club. Jagjeet, I hope you will fill up his place in our club.
Yeah. We love to have him. We love to have him. We love to have him.
Yeah,
like
Anil, I like that fateful morning.
Yes, you may say.
That fateful morning, Ashok also rang me up. But somehow my phone was out of network or whatever. Ashok, he tried my number, but I couldn't get it. Somehow, I don't know where was the fault, but he wanted to inform me right there and then. But anyway, that was what. Harminder would be insisting. Jagjeet, he would be insisting almost every time. Hey, come, let's go, let's go, let's go. But I told him, yeah, math, really, I don't know what's this all about. Really.
Anil, let's come back to the floor.
I want to say one or two lines. Say that, but I feel like a true homage to him is that to follow him what he said. He always wanted to be happy, always wanted to be on move. So let's complete it here like that. He has completed his journey in a very fine way.
That's right.
And my face was closest to him when he has fallen, and he was again and again saying thank you, and like he was moving his eyes to all the sides as he was thanking to all of us. And Dr. Swine has raised his legs. I was very close to his face, and to remember him is like just to feel him present everywhere, like in our life, and I want to say that he always wanted us to be happy in all moment of life. Like true homage is that we feel that he never wanted us to be sad even when he was alive, and we should be happy after him also. So that is my completion on that. Thank you.
And he was very fond of cracking jokes. And I,
That was the last week.
My request. Everyone said, okay, the all voice is coming from your side, Bajaj. And we said, Baba ji, chalo hum tusi apna jokes now. And he just, whenever he will tell, you know, just a pat, no wait, he started the joke. And on that day, the sound was a little lower, but we never felt like something wrong is there and something going to happen here so immediately.
What a human being! What a human being he was! Always full of life, and very helpful. We were scheduled to have dinner at his place that fateful night. We used to have whiskey and everything, but that was not to be. That was not to be. Very sad. Very sad.
So may I request Mr. S.K. Rai to...
Anilji, Anju would like to say something.
Anji, Black, but please.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Hanji. Ram Ram to everybody.
Ram Ram.
Harminder Bhaiya, so dear to me. I know him from my childhood. He used to come at my father's place for satsang. Not only he, Anila Bhabhi, Kamla Auntie, Chai Ji. I don't know Chai Ji's name. And Onkar Singh Bhaiya, Bhabhi. So every time he was really full of life person. हमने अकेला religious point of view से नहीं मिलते थे. I have many times seen him singing, dancing with Dr. Khosla's place, Dr. Khosla, Neelam Khosla. So I never thought such a pious soul can go so early, but he was really saint. He has gone like a saint. I think 100 may say this is only 4 to 5%. जो लोग ऐसे जाते हैं. He is a really very rare person. Not in the family. सारे परिवार को मिलके सारे friends में अपने joke share करते. ये तो संतों जैसा जाना हुआ. So I love him. I bless God. I say God must give him place in his feet. And सारी family ठीक रहे. अपनी family को blessings देते रहे. He was a wonderful person. He was a really wonderful person. Chalo, God bless him. Par jo jaisa means ki he never felt me ki I am younger to him. Always call me Anju ji aise karo, Anju ji aise karo. Never called me Anju only. Anju ji aap aise karo, Rajan ji aap aise karo. To itna acha lagta tha, like a family. He was just family to me, family to my parents also. So even Kamla auntie utne, Chai ji bhi utne. Onkar Singh Bhaiya bhi utne, sari family abhi. I am not much familiar to Rohit. Baki sab se hai, dono sisters se I am familiar. Even my younger daughter is at that time in UK, and Harminder Bhaiya's younger daughter was going to join them for lunch. So I just informed him, kehte we have known already. So God bless him, and my prayers are always with him. He will be ever in our hearts. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Aduji. May I request Mr. S.K. Rai to finally say a few words and conclude it. Mr. S.K. Rai.
अनिल, क्या कहूँ? कहने को शायद बहुत कुछ है, शायद कुछ भी नहीं है. रहने को तो सदा आता नहीं कोई, जैसे गए हरमिंदर वैसे जाता नहीं कोई. डॉक्टर प्रेम कुमार ने मुझे फोन किया होगा 12:55 के आसपास कि हरमिंदर सिंह जोक सुनाने के बाद गिर गए हैं. डीएमसी के लिए मैंने ओंकार सिंह को फोन किया. उसके बाद तो सबने आपने बताया. हरमिंदर सिंह एक्सीडेंटल इलिटिस्ट. ये अक्सर बार में बैठे रहते थे. हमारी मीटिंग होती थी अल्टरनेट संडेज को. एक बार रोहित ने भी देखा, फिर इंद्रजीत वो भी नहीं रहे हमारे बीच में, इसलिए मैंने उनका फोटो लगाया हुआ था. इंद्रजीत ने कहा कि हरमिंदर सिंह को ज्वाइन करा लें. वेलकम, मोस्ट वेलकम. जानता तो बहुत सालों से, और एक वो अपने आप में एक किस्म की पर्सनालिटी का एक टोटल स्कूल थे. उनको साथ के लेके चलने की इतनी ज्यादा ताकत थी और किसी कंडीशन, किसी भी सिचुएशन। तो बहुत कुछ कहने को नहीं रहा, समय भी अब समाप्त हो रहा है। केवल मैं ये कहकर समाप्त करता हूँ, हरमिंदर सिंह जी, बड़े शौक से सुन रहा था जमाना, तुम ही सो गए दास्तां कहते कहते। ये दास्तां तो बहुत जबरदस्त थी, बहुत सारे लोग इसके हिस्सेदार थे। आप अपने आगे भी, पीछे भी, परिवार में भी, दोस्तों में भी, यारों में भी कितने लोगों को छोड़ के गए हैं जो आपको हमेशा याद रखेंगे। लीड क्लब से ये एक श्रद्धांजलि का प्रयास था। हम क्या कह सकते हैं, 3 आदमी गए, लेकिन जो जिस ढंग से, जिस तरीके से, जिस एक्सीडेंटली हरमिंदर सिंह जी गए, वैसा शायद हम लोगों की जिंदगी में 20-22 आदमियों की जिंदगी में शायद ऐसा वाकया नहीं हो। और मैं तो प्रार्थना भी करूंगा कि ऐसा कोई वाकया हम लोगों के साथ न घटे। पर एक बार फिर मैं यही कहना चाहता हूँ, ईश्वर हमारी तरफ से उनको हमेशा एक अपने चरणों में रखे, और परिवार इस बात को निश्चित समझे कि हम लोग सब उनके साथ हर समय। रोहित तो इस बात को जानता है, हम लोग हर समय जो कुछ भी हमसे बन सकता है, जो कुछ से हमसे बन पड़ सकता है, जो कुछ भी हम कर सकते हैं, और जो कुछ रोहित हमसे चाहेगा, हम उसके लिए हर समय हैं, हर घड़ी मौजूद हैं। हम ये मान के चलते हैं जितनी क्षति हमारी हुई है वो शायद परिवार की क्षति से भी ज्यादा है। हम एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट आदमी हमने खोया है। इसके साथ ही अनिल, आप बहुत में मीटिंग खत्म कर दो या आप क्लोज करो।
थैंक यू सो मच राय साहब। मैं एक बार सबका थैंक्स, पूरी फैमिली का, उनके फ्रेंड्स का, लीड क्लब का, सबका एक बार थैंक्स करूंगा कि उन्होंने हमारी रिक्वेस्ट पे इस होमेज प्रेयर मीटिंग को ज्वाइन किया। और अगेन जैसे राय साहब ने कहा, एक एश्योरेंस पूरी फैमिली को कि कभी भी किसी तरह से भी आपको हमारी हेल्प चाहिए हो, वी आर ऑलवेज विद यू। थैंक यू वेरी मच, एंड I do hope that we remain in touch continuously with the family thereafter. Thank you so much. I am now closing the meeting. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.